Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that's probably crossed your mind more than once. Has anyone ever actually become a billionaire overnight? Let's dive in and separate the fantasy from reality. The myth of overnight billionaires. Let's be honest, the idea of instant, unimaginable wealth is pretty darn alluring. Lottery wins, overnight IPOs, striking gold with a crazy invention. These stories fill our imaginations and fuel daydreams. But here's the truth. Achieving billionaire status almost never happens overnight. Reality. Check. The path to billions. Most billionaires we know built their fortunes over years, even decades, through hard work, smart decisions, and often a good dose of luck. Think Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey. These individuals didn't wake up billionaires one morning. They hustled, took calculated risks, and adapted to ever-changing landscapes. Exceptions to the rule. Now, are there rare exceptions where someone stumbles upon instant wealth? Sure. Inheriting a massive fortune, winning a huge lottery, or discovering a revolutionary invention with the right timing can create instant billionaires. But even then, managing and growing that wealth often requires skill and effort. The real takeaway: focus on your journey. So, while overnight billionaire stories might be fun to think about, they shouldn't be your blueprint for success. Instead, focus on developing valuable skills and knowledge, building something meaningful and solving a problem, making smart, calculated decisions even when faced with challenges, staying persistent and learning from failures. Remember, the journey to building wealth and achieving your goals is rarely linear. It takes time, dedication, and a healthy dose of reality. So ditch the get-rich-quick schemes and focus on what you can control: your effort, your choices, and your unwavering determination. Who knows, maybe one day your hard work and passion will lead you to incredible success, even if it's not overnight. Now get out there and chase your dreams. Thanks for joining me today. What are your thoughts on the overnight billionaire myth? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content.